After almost more than 20 years, on a basking sunny day, we did take the initiative to go to Oxford. Of course, the objective was to explore over 1,000 years of history from a Saxon England and the evolution of Oxford University through the modern day. See the historic colleges and city's famous buildings, including the Radcliffe Camera, Sheldonian Theatre, the one which we are viewing right now, and the Bodleian Library, so much talked about. We didn't realize for all those years that what we were missing by not visiting Oxford was the amazing attractions. It's just not the universities where one feels like going back to studying when you see the buildings and the architecture. And did we realize that there was a lot to do apart from the charming shops or local dining? Probably visit the Christ Church and the Christ Church College, tour Oxford Castle and Prison, wander through the covered market, and of course the world famous Ashmolean Museum. This specific area was quite crowded, obviously, because of Bridge of Sighs, which is an exact replica of Bridge of Sighs in Venice.